Hello, my name is Bud Lane, Site Superintendent with our Yoder Construction. Where I'm at is Huntertown Wastewater Treatment Plant. The phase we're in here, as you can see behind me, is the digging of the sludge tank, getting the forms ready for concrete. In about a month, you'll see the walls going up in the sludge tank. You'll see some backfilling take place. At the clarifying tanks, you'll see a big hole with shoring in it, getting ready to do the underground pipe work that's needed. The process goes to the clarifier, and that is where all the sediment drops to the bottom, and then it's shipped to the sludge tanks, and that is where the bacterial process takes place to get it ready.
My name's Steve Truex. I'm the site superintendent at the Shipshewana Wastewater Treatment Plant. Behind me, they've cleared the topsoil for the new clarifying station, and in the next couple days, we'll start dewatering to raise the water table so that we can start digging the hole for the clarifier. Following that up, we'll put the auger cast piles in, which will be the base foundation for the clarifier hole, which is 84 feet wide.